If you are experiencing a verification pending status on Saxo Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check document requirements. Ensure that you have submitted all required documents for verification. This typically includes proof of identity and proof of address. Verify that the documents meet the bank's specifications. Step 2. Resubmit documents. If your documents were rejected or not processed, resubmit them through the Saxo Bank platform. Make sure they are clear, legible, and in the correct format as specified by the bank. Step 3. Contact customer support. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check email notifications. Regularly check your email for any communication from Saxo Bank regarding your verification. Sometimes, additional information or documents may be requested via email. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After completing the above steps, wait for confirmation from Saxo Bank. This may take some time, but you should receive an update on your verification status soon. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Saxo Bank efficiently. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from customer support.